Hey there, it's Katie with WTI, and can you see how nasty and dirty this doormat is? I am so happy. I know that sounds weird, but because this is so nasty and dirty, that means that I don't have to sweep, vacuum, and mop the rest of my house. These Gorilla Grip heavy duty, heavy traffic doormats are just like the greatest thing that has happened to my house. These mats are attracting all of the dirt, all of the mud, all of the salt from melting snow and ice instead of my floors. I love that they are heavy duty. They have a great grip. I actually have not been able to find a mat before these that was low profile enough to fit underneath our door, at least one that would stay in place. They stay in place even if you run and slide or try to slide on them. They don't move. It's awesome. Cleanup is a breeze. I can take them outside and shake them off. I can run the vacuum over them, and when it's nicer out, I'll even be able to hose them down. If you're tired of everyone tracking in mud all over the house, get one of these Gorilla mats. They are just amazing. I cannot believe how durable this is and how well it has worked for our house. But that's just my point of view.